Ooh, guys, it is hot. It's 90 right now. It's 10 a.m. High's 96 today, I think. But I'm fishing one of my favorite multi-species creeks. It's really good for panfish. It's really good for wading. I mean, it's just kind of a slow churning creek. Wide, get some deep spots, but it's loaded with bass. Loaded with panfish, perch. You can catch just about anything here. Haven't had a whole lot of luck with the fly here yet, though. But I'm trying a new fly. Got this from Red's Fly Shop online. I like the curly tail here. It reminds me of a grub that I used to fish a lot with spin fishing. It's kind of got a crawl pattern to it. I don't know, I think it'll catch fish. Just hoping it'll catch me one of the big bass that's in here. That would be fantastic. This creek holds water way better than any other creek I know. I have no idea how it does it, but it's really cool. So let's get to fishing. I'm ready to be waist deep in water for the rest of the day. I like this cover over here. Fish do cling to, if you can find cover in this stream, it's usually a fish there. Just depends what it is. Yep, we had one. Shoot, first bite. Stream is loaded with sunfish, so a lot of times when you miss a fish, that's what it is. This stream is definitely just like a walk and cast type of stream, because the fish can be anywhere. They don't sit in everything, but there's not a whole lot that's distinguishable. So it's you just never know where you're gonna get a bite. There we go, fish on. Decent one too. Oh man, it's a full fish. Dang. Well, it's still cool. It's a fun fight, but oh my god, my reel just fell off. You gotta be kidding me. Well, that's freaking great, Shane. Nice job. Killing it. Should probably make sure my reel is connected to the rod. Slimy fish, these fall fish. Make some wonderful noises too. Oh, there it is. There we go. That's decent fish, whatever it is. A catfish. Yeah, it is a catfish. Nice. My line all wrapped up here. Yeah, we got channel. They're hard fighters, man. It's only the second one I've caught on a fly, but the other one was bigger and it took forever. It's really not that big a one either. He's dogging me. I have a feeling this might be one of those days where I catch everything but a big smallmouth, which is what I want, but it's all right. Take what I can get. All right, guys, so there he is. Second species of the day. Off he goes. So I never put a catfish in a net. Don't do that. Gets one, slime all over it, and two, he got one of his bony fins stuck in the net. So yeah, future reference, don't do that. There we go, fish on. Nice, smallie, that is what I was looking for. Very cool. It's not a bad one as far as creek smallies go, but they get up to 5 pounds in here. I've seen them. So that would be sick to catch one of those. All right, beautiful fish, man. All right, pretty fish. Awesome. All right, so got him on just like a quick strip through this these riffles. This is one of the few riffles on this entire section of creek. I usually do catch a smallie here. The slow stuff I've been struggling with. I said at the beginning of the video I used to kill it with the spinning rod and the slow stuff. So I know they're there. I just got to figure out how to catch them. Might try a popper here in a little bit. Maybe a streamer. I'm not sure. Woolly bugger. Trying to figure these fish out. So my plan here is to try a couple of different flies in this hole. Oh my gosh. First cast with the popper. I was gonna try. I know this hole's loaded. It always is, so. Man, he hit it on the freaking drop. But I wanted to try a couple different things in here and see. There we go. That was a smallie. See what the best reaction is. I think it might be the popper. It's already 2 bites. There we go. Fall fish, I think. Yeah, put on my second fly for this hole was a Helgerbite nymph. Thought a bass might take it, but I'll take a volley. All right, well, fall fish on the Helgermite. I have a streamer to fish after this, and then I'll just probably finish this section with whatever I like the best. Just playing around with some stuff. The popper's winning so far. No hookups, but got about 3 blow-ups on it at least. Fish. We got sunfish. Adding to the species list. It's half tempted just to nymph this Helcom right around and just catch a bunch of fish, because it is gonna catch a lot at the very least. I'm not sure. Red breast maybe? I am all full of sunfish. Oh, very cool. There's a fish. Ooh, it was a good first pull. What do we got? Smallmouth. Not a bad one either. I don't think anyways. He's okay. A great first pull. It's probably only about 12-inch fish though. Maybe a little bigger. Got him on a bugger. I'm working my way back with that. Popper ended up quitting on me. Take that. There we go. Little smallie. There he is. Bugger really hasn't done a whole lot for me at this creek in the past, but this run, I can fish for smallmouth and faster stuff. It's just the slow stuff. I cannot figure them out. The popper would have worked, I think, if I tried it earlier, but lost all my shadows, so you usually don't get a whole lot of bass on top water if, you know, there's no shade, anything like that, especially this time of year. So kind of wish I did that earlier, but glad I was able to get another bass here. We got a little bit of ways to go till we're back at the car, so maybe we'll look into a couple more fish. Oh, there we go. Looked like a nice fish. Yeah, it's a good bass. Let's go. If I can get him, he might be one of my bigger smallies on the fly. He inhaled that thing. That was so sick. Yeah, he's probably not my biggest bass on the fly, but he's a pretty good one. Glad I put that popper back on, huh? All right, buddy. You about ready? Yes, that's a nice fish. All right, guys, so there's our smallie. I thought he was a lot bigger when he first ate, but he's probably, oh shoot, dang it. Well, awesome release, Shane. But he was probably about 16, and there he goes.